Welcome to Think Maths. We are in class 10 Maths, chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. In this session, we are going to discuss about exercise 3.2, question number 2, 3 and 4. So question number 2, on comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point or parallel or coincident. So we have to find the ratios of A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2 and compare the ratios and then check whether it intersects parallel or coincident. So these equations will intersect when A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So they will be parallel when A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2. They will be coincident when all are equal. So this is the condition for this. So first let us write the general equation for linear. So the general equation is A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0. Next is A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. So this is the general form of a linear equation. So when we compare with this first sum is 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. So here A1 is 5. A1 and A2 are nothing but coefficient of x. So A1 is 5, A2 is 7. So A1 by A2 is 5 divided by 7. So they don't have any common divisor. So we cannot simplify further. So A1 by A2 will be 5 by 7. Next B1 by B2, which is coefficient of y. So here coefficient of y is minus 4 divided by B2 is 6. So both 4 and 6 are multiples of 2. So we can divide by 2. So minus 2 divided by 3. So next C1 by C2. So C1 by C2 is constant value. It is nothing but 8 divided by minus 9. We can write as minus 8 by 9. So if we compare all these values, they are unequal. That is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So if this condition exists, we need not check for C1 by C2. So already C1 by C2 is not equal. So if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then we can say that both these equations intersect at a point. So the result is they intersect at a point. So next sum, 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. So here A1 by A2 is 9 divided by 18. So 9 divided by 18. Both are multiples of 9. So we can divide by 9. 1 9s are 9. 2 9s are 18. Next B1 by B2 is 3 divided by 6. So both are multiples of 3. So if we divide by 3, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Next C1 by C2 is 12 divided by 24. So we can divide by 12. 1 12s are 12, 2 12s are 24. So we get all the answers equal. That is A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So if all are equal, then the equations are coincident. So both the equation will be 1 upon each other. Next sum, 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. So here A1 by A2 is 6 divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Next one, B1 by B2 is minus 3 divided by minus 1. So minus will get cancelled. 3 divided by 1 is 3. Next C1 by C2, it is 10 divided by 9. So they don't have the common divisor. So we can leave as such. So when we compare, we get A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. But it is not equal to C1 by C2. So then the result is we get parallel lines. So these two lines will not intersect at any point, so we don't get any solution. So this is the second problem. I hope you can understand. So I will move on to the next problem. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations consistent or inconsistent. Here, as usual, in second problem, we check A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Here also you have to check the ratios, compare the ratios. So now, if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then it is consistent, as well as if A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2, it is consistent. Suppose if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2, then it is inconsistent. So let us first write the general form. General form is A1x plus B1y, you can write equal to C1 also. Equal to C1, A2x plus B2y equal to C2. So when we compare the ratios, coefficient of x, it is 3 and 2. So A1 by A2 is 3 divided by 2. Next one, B1 by B2. So it is 2 and minus 3. So 2 divided by minus 3, which can be written as minus 2 divided by 3. So next C1 by C2, constant values, it is 5 divided by 7. So if we compare the values, all are not equal. So that is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So if this condition exists, then we can say the answers are, the solution is consistent. So next one, 2x minus 3y equal to 8, 4x minus 6y equal to 9. So here A1 by A2 is 2 divided by 4. So 2 divided by 4 is a multiple of 2. So 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Next, minus 3 and minus 6. So B1 by B2 is minus 3 divided by minus 6. Both the minus gets cancelled and both are divisible by 3. So 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Next constant term, it is 8 and 9. So C1 by C2 is 8 divided by 9. So if we compare the ratios, we get A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2. So it is inconsistent. Third problem, it is 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equal to 7, 9x minus 10y equal to 40. So A1 by A2. So A1 is 3 by 2 and A2 is 9. So this can be written as 3 by 2 into division. When we take to product, it will inverse. So 9 by 1 will change to 1 by 9. So 1 3s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So in the denominator, it is 1 into 1, 1. In numerator, 1 into 1, 1. In denominator, 2 into 3, 6. So answer is 1 by 6. Next, B1 by B2. B1 is 5 by 3 and B2 is minus 10. So you can write as 5 by 3 into this denominator. When it goes to numerator, minus 10 by 1 will become minus 1 by 10. So 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. So the answer is 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 3 into 2, 6. Next C1 by C2, it is 7 by 40. So multiple of 7. So it is 1 sevens are 7, 2 sevens are 40. So the result is we get A1 by A2 is not equal. This is 1 by 6 and this is minus 1 by 6. So A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So if this is not equal, then we can directly say the pair of linear equations are consistent. Okay. So let me go to the next problem. Fourth one, 5x minus 3y equal to 11 minus 10x plus 6y equal to minus 22. So here A1 by A2, A1 is 5, A2 is minus 10. So both are multiples of 5. So 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10 and a negative sign. Next B1 by B2 is minus 3 and 6. So minus 3 divided by 6. So equal to minus 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. So minus 1 by 2. Then C1 by C2 it is 11 by minus 22. So which is equal to minus 1 11s are 11, 2 11s are 22. So all answers are same, minus 1 by 2. So we can say A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So then the solution is consistent. Next one, 4 by 3x plus 2y equal to 8, 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Now A1 by A2, A1 is 4 by 3 and A2 is 2. So this will be changed to 4 by 3 into this 2 by 1 will change to 1 by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2. So it is 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 1, 3. So next B1 by B2, B1 is 2 and B2 is 3. So answer is 2 by 3. Next C1 by C2, C1 is 8 and C2 is 12. So if we divide by 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. So all the answers are 2 by 3 same. So we can say A1 by A2, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So we get the solution, that is linear pair of equations are consistent. If all are equal, then the linear pair of equations are consistent. We get infinite number of solutions for these two problems. Okay, I hope you can understand. So let me go to the next problem, fourth one, which is the last problem of this session. Which of the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Here, first you have to check the consistency. That is, you have to check the ratios and find whether it is consistent or inconsistent. So, if the ratios are unequal, that is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then it is consistent. Or if A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So, that is, if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 and A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. For both these conditions, the pair of linear equations are consistent. Okay, so suppose if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but it is not equal to C1 by C2. So then it is inconsistent. So we have to check the ratios for all the problems. So if we get these two conditions, we can say that the equations are consistent. If it is consistent, we have solution. Okay. So if we have solution, we have to obtain this solution graphically. For that, we have to find the coordinates of the points. Then we have to plot in a graph and find the solution. Okay. So let us go to the problem. First problem, x plus y equal to 5, 2x plus 2y equal to 10. So as usual, we have to compare the ratios and check whether it is equal or unequal. So So for this problem, here a1 equal to 1 and a2 is equal to 2. So we get a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 2. Next b1 is 1 and b2 is 2. So we get b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 2. Next C1, C2. C1 is 5, C2 is 10. So C1 by C2 is equal to 5 divided by 10. Both are multiples of 5. So we can divide by 5. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. So we get A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is equal to C1 by C2. So all the answers are 1 by 2. So all are equal. If all are equal, then the equations are consistent. So if all are equal, we get infinite number of solutions. So let us check whether we get infinite number of solutions. For that, we have to substitute the values. Suppose when x is equal to 0. So this equation x plus y equal to 5, I am taking x is equal to 0. So if you substitute x is equal to 0, it is 0 plus y equal to 5. Then y will be equal to 5. So next I am taking x is equal to 1. So it will be 1 plus y equal to 5. Then y will be equal to this plus 1. When it goes to other side, it will become minus 1, which is equal to 4. So it is 4. Next, for this equation, 2x plus 2y equal to 10. I am going to take x is equal to 2. So if we substitute x is equal to 2 here, it is 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 is 4 plus 2y equal to 10. So then 2y will be equal to 10 plus 4 will become minus 4. Then y will be equal to 10 minus 4 is 6. This 2 is in product, so it will become division on other side. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So here answer is 3. So next I am going to take the value 4. So instead of x, you have to substitute 4. So 2 into 4 is 8. So 8 plus 2y equal to 10. So then 2y will be equal to 10 minus 8. Then y will be equal to 10 minus 8 is 2. So this 2 in product will become division, which is equal to 1. So we get the answer 1. So we found the coordinates. Now we have to plot it in a graph. So the first one is 0, 5. So let me mark the values as 2, 4, 6, 8. I am taking 2 points, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. So this is negative x-axis and this is positive x. In the same way, this is positive value of y and this is negative value of y, which is marked as y dash. So here in y-axis, positive values I am taking as 2, 4, 6, 8 and this is minus 2, minus 4, minus 6 and minus 8. So we have to mark 0, 5. So 0 is here and the 5 value will be here. So this is 0, 5 and next value is 1, 4. So 1 will be between 0 and 2. So this is 1 and 1, 4. 1, 4 is here. So this is 1, 4. So joining this, you will get a straight line this side. Okay. So next is 2, 3. So 2 is here. And the value 3 will be in between 2 and 4. So 2, 3. I'm sorry, I marked the points. So let me erase. So we have to mark the point 0, comma 5. So x is equal to 0 is here and y is equal to 5 lies between 4 and 6. So in between 4 and 6. So this is the point. So it is 0, comma 5. Next is 1, comma 4. X equal to 1 lies between 0 and 2. So this is 1, 1, comma 4. So 1, comma 4 will be here. So 1, comma 4. So we have to join this line. So next line 2, comma 3. So 2 is here and 3 will be here. So this is 2, comma 3. Next is 4, comma 1. So 4 value is here and 1 lies between 0 and 2. So this is 4, comma 1. So if we join, we get a straight line. So both the lines will be in same order. So both the lines are coincident. So in all the points we get the solution. So that means we have infinite number of solutions. So all points will meet. So as both the lines are one upon each other, all the points will meet. So we get infinite number of solutions. So if this condition, if all the ratios are equal, then we get infinite number of solutions. So I hope you can understand. So let me go to the next problem. Second one, x minus y equal to 8, 3x minus 3y equal to 16. So here we have to find the ratios. So first one, a1 by a2. So here a1 is 1 divided by a2 is 3. Next b1 by b2. So here b1 is minus 1 divided by b2 is minus 3, which is equal to 1 by 2. The same way c1 by c2, c1 is 8, c2 is 16. So both are multiple of 8, so we can divide by 8. 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16. Here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but which is not equal to c1 by c2, because a1 by a2 is 1 by 3, also b1 by b2 is 1 by 3, but c1 by c2 is 1 by 2. So this condition implies linear pair of equations are inconsistent. If it is inconsistent, we don't have any solution. So we no need to find this table. Okay. So let me go to the next problem. So third one, 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So first step, we have to compare the ratios and check whether it is consistent or inconsistent. So let me change the ink. So first one is a1 by a2. So here a1 is 2 and a2 is 4. So 2 divided by 4 is 1 by 2. Next one, b1 by b2, which is equal to b1 is 1 and b2 is minus 2. So we get minus 1 by 2. So from both we can say that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So if both are not equal, we can say that the solution is consistent. That is, the linear pair of equations are consistent. So we get a unique solution. So let us substitute the values for this. So for the first equation, 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. So I am taking x is equal to 0. So if we substitute x is equal to 0 here, 0 plus y minus 6 equal to 0. So keeping y here, so 0 plus will not make any change. So minus 6, when it goes to other side, it will be 6. So y will be 6. So next I am going to take the value as 2, x equal to 2. So if we substitute x is equal to 2, so it will be 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus y minus 6 equal to 0. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So then y will be equal to minus 2 will become plus 2. So the answer is 2. So we got the two coordinates for this equation. Next equation, 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So I am going to substitute x is equal to 1. So if we substitute x is equal to 1, 4 into 1, 4 minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So 0 minus 2y equal to 0. So this makes minus 2y equal to 0. So y is also 0. Next I am going to take x is equal to 3. So if you take x is equal to 3, is 4 into 3, 12 minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So 12 minus 4 is 8. So 8 minus 2y equal to 0. So minus 2y equal to minus 8. Then y will be equal to minus 8 divided by minus 2. Minus will get cancelled. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we got the coordinates for both the equation. Now we have to plot the points. So first one is 0, 6. Before that, let me mark the values. Take the scale. That is, it is 2, 4, 6, 8. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. And positive y, 2, 4, 6, 8. Negative y, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. Y dash, and this is y, and this is x, and this is x dash. Okay, so the first value is 0, 6. So x is equal to 0 is here, 0, 6 will be here. So it is 0, 6. Next is 2, 2. So 2, 2 will be here. 2, 2. So joining the lines, we get. So you take a scale and join so that you get the solution perfectly. So next equation, it is 1, 0. So 1 will be in between 0 and 2. So this is 1 and 1, 0. 0 lies here. So this is 1, 0 and 3, 4. So 3 lies between 2 and 4. 3, 4. So 3, 4 is almost here. So this is 3, 4. So joining this, so both the lines intersect at their points. So we can say that they both, I think they both intersect at 2, 2. So we can say the solution as x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. So this is the problem. That is, if we get a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then pair of linear equations are consistent and we get a unique solution, which is x equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. So I hope you can understand. So let me go to the last problem. 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. So let us check the ratios. A1 by A2. So here A1 is 2 and A2 is 4. So both are multiples of 2. So I am dividing by 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Next B1 by B2. B1 is minus 2 and B2 is minus 4. So both the negatives gets cancelled. So it will be 1 by 2. So 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So it is 1 by 2. Next C1 by C2. C1 is minus 2, C2 is minus 5. Both the negatives gets cancelled. So answer is 2 by 5. So on comparing, we get A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, but it is not equal to C1 by C2. So if this condition comes, then it is inconsistent. The pair of linear equations are inconsistent and we get no solution. So we no need to find those coordinates. Okay. So I hope you can understand all the problems in this session. Thank you for watching. So if you like the video, just share, like and subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get the notification whenever I upload my videos. Thank you. Thank you for your support.